Isang magandang gabi ulit po sa ating manunood. Ito po ating starting five for both teams. DLSU, Cortez, Macalalag, Pablo, Amos, and Abadam. For Zamboanga naman, Linganay, Tolomia, Santos, Demoses, and si Malik Diouf. Yan po ang ating starter for both teams. And Coach, DLSU, this is their third game for a third day. 3 straight games against Zamboanga Valientes. This is only their second game on this tournament. You know, sa tingin mo, for DLSU, yung fatigue factor, sumisipa na ba for them?
Siyempre, andyan talaga yung fatigue factor. Tapos, idadagdag mo pa na they still haven't gotten the rhythm, di ba? Di pa sila nakakuha ng panalo. Tuloy-tuloy pa yung games. Doon papasok yung mental toughness ng isang player at ng isang team.
You know, itong mga talo ng DLSU, almost, no? Ang quality ng kanilang pinapakita dito sa mga Sibugainons. And then, you know, the latter part, doon lang
Nakukulangan lang, di ba?
is Luis Pablo. This is his jumper at the free throw line. Mason Amos. To Jacob Cortez. They go to Macalalag. Pablo will try again. Second miss for Luis Pablo. Malik Diouf against Pablo. At the post, 12 seconds to shoot. Cross-court pass, Mike Tolomia. Former FEU gunner. And Tolomia. The back is open at 6 p.m. here in Zamboanga, Sibugay.
Swabe lang yung galawan ng Mike Talome, no?
Smooth like butter. Earl Abadam to Amos. Goes to Jacob Cortez. Double team. Finds Pablo. Amos wide open underneath. First point for DLSU. Eight and 29. Rudy Linganay, their veteran guard for Zamboanga Valientes. Linganay, the former UE Red Warriors. Nick DeMoses uses his extra step and gets the bounce to get the deuce here. 6-2 our score.
Nakita mo yung patience dun sa move niya na yun, no? Inintay niya muna, hindi kumagat. Okay, I'll use the step through for that layer.
Macalalag, 1-on-1. Balik sa labas. Pablo scans the floor. Earl Abadam catches it, fires it, and scores! Six to 5. DLSU able to cut down the lead to 1. Opening quarter po tayo, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. That's another steal. That's on Macalalag. The lab going to Pablo went out of bounds for DLSU.
Ganun yung mga breaks na dapat na ma-maximize ng isang team, no? Yung ganun na turnover, lalo na early on sa game. Ang kaso, yung turnover, nabawian din ng own turnover ng Lasal.
Wow, good help right there by Earl Abadam, forcing Malik Diouf to take the turnover. And have the turnover. 6-5 is our score. Valiente still up by 1 point. Their supportive team owners here. Honorable Junie Navarro. Pablo! Sumabay pa doon si Rodney Santos. Nila underneath. And ngayon, may report sa atin si Maris Victorio for DLSU.
Alam natin, Mason Amos was on fire last night. Alam nyo, sabi niya, wake-up call sa kanila ang laro kagabi, but they don't dwell on the past. Instead, it's always about moving forward. Madami pa raw araw para makapag-ensayo, prepare at makorek ang mga kailangan ayusin. Sabi niya nga, always have a positive mindset and positive things will come back to you. Bida niya nga sa akin, Kim ninyo, sobrang nag-e-enjoy ang team dito sa Zamboanga, Sibugay, kahit third conference na ng Lasal dito. Iba pa din daw ang ganda at hospitality ng mga Sibugay Nods. He says he's definitely grateful to be part of this team and to be playing here in Zamboanga. Kim Nino?
Thank you so much, Maris. Oo nga, hindi lang yung mga players and teams, pati na rin yung ating mga nagkakasang sports and reporter, yung nag-i-enjoy dito. No? Sina Maris kanina, nag-island hopping pa.
Grabe.
Oo.
Kailan natin? Kahapon yata.
Kahapon
yun.
pala,
Yes,
kahapon.
oo,
Oo.
kahapon.
Yung tatlong girls
Saan
natin.
ba silang island nagpunta, partner?
Buluan Island. Oo.
Oo. Yun yung makikita from dito
Oo,
sa
from here.
sa
From Ipil Heights.
Capitol, yeah.
Yun. Tsaka tayo kanina. Thank you so much for the accommodation. Board member, Dr. Hoffer, and also si yung tropa natin. Kalaro natin ng pickleball kanina.
Sila, Doc Ralph.
Oo,
diba?
Dr. Ralph.
Kasi Honorable Pava.
Oo. Thank you so much. Tsaka ang sarap ng lunch natin eh.
Oo, yung sabaw.
lutong bahay.
Yung lutong bahay.
Tsaka yung mga gulay, ang sarap.
Yes.
Back to our ball game, by the way, Coach. Luis Pablo leads the score here for DLSU in our opening quarter, Coach.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Ninyo. Parang we're seeing a different Lasal today.
Yeah, different.
Di ba? Parang, ewan ko basta iba yung pinapakita nilang game today, no? Oh, and all of their shots are going in. Aside sa they're taking better shots ngayon, pumapasok na, starting dun sa first 3-pointer ni Abadam.
And you know,
Pasok na agad Para nga, sabi nila, wake up call na nga siguro to kasi
Yeah.
0-2 na daw tayo.
at saka kita naman natin kung sino yung nag-uumpisa ng offense nila, no? They're bigs.
Yung
It's
big
Amos
men.
and
Oo,
Pablo. Let's take a
yes.
look at this nice pass coming from Jacob Cortez to Mason Amos. And kita mo yung ibang Lasal. Ramdam natin yung body language nitong Lasal ngayon. It's a different compared to the previous 2 days.
Tsaka parang hindi lang tayo nakaramdam. Parang naramdaman na rin ni Vic Manuel tsaka ni Bulanadi as they've check-in na agad.
Vic Manuel misses that one. Aline Bulanadi, yesterday's best player. Hindi, si Vic Manuel pala. But Aline Bulanadi also with a big contribution to that Zamboanga first to win last night, Coach, no?
Malaki din yung naiambag na ito niya. Aline Bulanadi.
Aline Bulanadi, the accuracy. Itong lefty na to from Davao. Former San Sebastian. Bulanadi goes to Linganay. Baba dito ngayon si Rudy Linganay for Zamboanga. Vic Manuel, eyes for 3.
Mainit pa rin si Vic Manuel.
Picking up where he left off last night, Coach. And kanina sa pregame natin, nakita naman natin yung ang layo ng range ng binibitawan ni Vic Manuel sa kanyang shooting outside the Rainbow Country as Elaine Bulanadi. That's a door-to-door delivery. The lead cut down to 3. It's 14-11. Amos, the cut stolen away. Nope. There is a foul against Nick DeMoses.
Ang galing ng ginawa ni Abadam no? Na-recognize niya yung defense masyadong mataas. Automatic backdoor na to.
Raton de Coco checks in for the first time for Zamboanga Valientes.
Question lang, partner. Alam mo ba meaning ng raton ba? Raton de Coco?
Raton de Coco.
Alam mo yung
I asked, Coach Kim, I asked Kuya Rudy Linganay kanina. Sabi niya, yung raton is a rat
Okay.
and de Coco is a coconut.
Like the tree?
Oo.
Oh.
So Raton de Coco, that's the meaning. Coconut and tree. Itong si Raton de Coco, kasi nga mabibilis no? Yung mga rat in a tree.
Oo.
Tsaka,
Parang yung mga rats sa farm, gano'n.
Oo.
Ay,
Ito
farm.
pala. Kala ko
Para sa
Mighty Mouse.
palayan.
Oo, yung mga ganyan. That's out of bounds, by the way, for Zamboanga Valientes. 7 Gagate. And EJ Goliana checks in for DLSU.
Pati si Cortez, pinahinga na pala
Pinahinga
dito.
na. Yep. So, Kines checks in for DLSU. Sabi nga ni Maris kanina, no, itong DLSU, pangatlong season na nila to for Governor Ann K. Hooper Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. So, they got a one championship na for here.
Nung second, yata sila, champion? Tama ba?
Actually, both teams, merong isa na.
Oo.
Our defending champion is
Yes.
Zamboanga Valientes. Mendy was pushed away by 7 Gagate. So it's gonna be free throw. I guess, nope. Baseline inbound lang for Raton de Coco and LeBron James dive. Also checks in for Luis Pablo. Grabe yung Pablo, ha?
Well-deserved rest talaga. No?
Oo, round of applause for Pablo. Grabe yung kanyang pinakita in this first quarter. That's a steal for EJ Goliena. Goliena. Chase down block by John Paul Mendy. Kines, babawi naman for DLSU. 16-11. Raton de Coco crosses over, goes inside, drives, misses.
Ang ganda na sana nun, no?
Another steal for Valientes. Here comes Tolomia against Gagate. And Tolomia,
Binitin pa sa ere.
hinanapan pa ng diskarte, no? Avoiding that ball sa kamay. Itong si Gagate.
Ang laki rin naman talaga ng iniwasan doon ni Mike Tolomia.
LeBron James dive. He has that range. The NCAA season 100 MVP for UPHSD Juniors Division. Raton de Coco. Here comes Vic Manuel. Jampul Mendy with offensive rebound. Spins. Fades away. Missed shot for Mendy. The LSU. Kines all day. At this time. Vic Manuel, atake. And that is a foul against LeBron James dive. Sabi nito ating officials, sa ilalim daw yung foul doon, yung
Oo,
sipa
parang-
dito. So that's the decision. So so sabi ng ating official na wala daw.
Hindi, parang foul nga, pero walang free throw
Wala
yata.
free throw nga.
Oo,
Wala nga
oo.
daw free throw.
Oo.
Kung gusto niya mag-coaches challenge.
So ito nga, no free throw for Vic Manuel.
Oo, baseline inbound lang.
No, Jan Paul Mendy. It's his first 2 points, by the way, for this ball game. Gagate against Mendy. Here comes the handoff to Kines. Goes to LeBron James dive. The LSU with a swing here. EJ Goliena against Mike Tolomia. 6-point lead for DLSU. Mendy drives. Overcooks that drive. Kines escapes again.
Kailangan ng De La Salle University ng more of those shots na bring it hard to the basket, take it hard to the basket. Katulad na itong move na to ni Kines. Ang gandang pihit. Ibinanda pa.
Oh, look at that. Para siguro. Mali naman yung sinasabi. Back to our ball game. Oh, Alain Bulanadi doing that inbound pass again. But this time, mahina yung talbog doon for Bulanadi and a turnover. Still for Malasigan, and that's a foul against Boris Marasigan.
Parang nanood ng ibang games nung La Salle. Nakita nang ginawa ni Bulanadi yun twice. nung
Scouted.
first game. Oo, scouted baga.
Another foul, that's on 7 Gagate. So it is 5 fouls now for the LSU squad. Alin, di nakasabot. Ay, magsigalo. Inibitayo niya eh. ikaw, sabot ka. 45.8 seconds left. John Paul Mendy. Walang free throw doon, dalawa. Kines against Raton de Coco. It is 18-second shot clock. LeBron James dives, same spot earlier. Different result. Vic Manuel with a big rebound. 30. Bulanadi. That's a stop coming from EJ Goliena. 26.3 seconds. First quarter, by the way. First game pa lang po natin to. Mamaya, it's gonna be UP against Uwelik Alicia sa ating second game. Oh, that's a steal. Kines has it. The give to LeBron James. Dive. Too strong. But the putback coming from Big Mo. Bulanadi rattles out. 25-15. The green shirts of DLSU up by 10. Marasigan, nabitawan dun. That's a foul on Bulanadi. Let's take a look at this transition offense ng DLSU. LeBron James dive, missing that, but no problem. Andun yung putback ni Big Mo. Got your back, says Big Mo.
Kaya kailangan talaga natin lagi tayong tumatakbo sa transition eh. Kahit defense or offense pa yan, kailangan andun ka para sa teammates mo. Just like what happened. Layup galing dito kay LeBron James, nag-miss. Andyan agad si Big Mo for that follow-up.
Marasigan, 1 out of 2. Here comes the baseball pass. Itong si Vic Manuel. As EJ Goliena releases it. And that's the sound of our first quarter natin. 26-25. First 10 minutes, lamang po ng 11. Itong DLSU Green Archers. You against Zamboanga Valientes. Ninyo Abanit alongside Coach Kim Reyes. Coach Kim, kumusta yung stay mo dito so far?
Okay naman, okay naman. Kasi napaka-welcoming ng ating mga guests at ng mga tao dito sa Zamboanga, Sibugay. Actually, first time ko dito. Kaya,
Diba? Ang ganda ng ating stay dito.
oo.
Pero mas maganda itong mga games na
Yung mga
napapanood
games,
nitong ating mga Sibugainons. It's DLSU now and Zamboanga Valientes as Big Mo gets the 2-pointer. 28-15, 13 points now, Coach. 13-point lead now for DLSU.
Napag-usapan nga natin kanina, no? We are now seeing a different Lasal from the previous games na nakita natin from them, di ba?
First time natin makita sa tatlong games nitong DLSU. Itong si Sarmiento for DLSU. I guess this is his third year or 2 years pa lang itong si Sarmiento dito sa DLSU. Second year nga, oo. From Southern California and 4th Division. He played for from Southern California. Workout last year with Coach Topics daw no? Last year pala, oo. First time ko nakita si Sarmiento dito sa Zamboanga, Sibugay. 9 minutes and 4 sa ating second quarter. 14 seconds. Shot clock, Bulanadi. Pick up that dribble. Barkley Ibonia. First time din natin makita sa ating laro dito ngayon.
Oo, ngayon lang din nakapasok Barkley.
Colombia, one-hander, misses. Rebound, tapped by Sarmiento to Milencio. That is a double dribble for Milencio.
Sayang yung break na yun, no? He was already wide open for that easy layup sana. Pero may nakita dun yung ating referee.
By the way, Coach, this is the biggest lead so far for DLSU. Coach Joseph Urumarante right on our screen. The squad down by 13 here. Raton de Coco goes to Barkley Ibonia. Bulanadi fakes. Bulanadi uses his offhand. Ibonia, offensive rebound. That's a three-pointer for Aline Bulanadi. Finally, first three-point shot for Zamboanga Valientes. Pangalawa pala for Zamboanga Valientes.
So, kanina si Vic Manuel di ba? Yung first 3-pointer.
A duty foul for DLSU or for Zamboanga Valientes doon.
Sabi ni Alin Bolanadi, wala, hindi ba pwede maka-easy 2. Kunin mo yan sa free throw line. Tignan
Diba?
natin.
Diba? Elimination game pa lang tayo pero kita mo yung mga foul nitong binibigay ng ating mga teams dito. No easy basket here.
Bawal easy basket.
At Big Mo with a soft touch, coach, no?
Oo.
Amaze sa kanyang soft touch dito.
Pina-practice yan ng mga coaching staff with the players.
He's calling for some help here. Raton de Coco spins and scores against Big Mo.
Kaya pala siya nagpapatulong. Kaya siya humihingi ng tulong. See how gutsy that move is galing dito kay Raton de Coco, no?
That's another steal for Zamboanga Valientes. Down by 9 right now. Bulanadi fires. Bulanadi scores! 29-23. Sarmiento at the top of the key. That's an air ball that right now. Pakinggan natin itong report ni Sarah Thurchman for Zamboanga Valientes.
From Vic Manuel of Zamboanga Valientes, sabi niya, game defense ang pinakagusto nila to set in this quarter. They were really expecting na ganito ang determinasyon ng Lasal dahil nakalaban na nila ito sa City. Ang key to win ng Valientes, defense, wise decision making, at always having eyes on the ball. Kim and Nino.
Thank you so much. So ito nga, bumawi din ng run. Itong Zamboanga Valientes. Vic Manuel. That one. But there's a push. Kita mo yung pakpak doon ni Barkley Ibonia sa ere, no? Finding some balance in the midair.
Yan talaga ang naibibigay ng isang Barkley Ibonia para sa mga kupunan niya.
Tolomia, short. Ibonia again. That's another foul. And Barkley Ibonia getting into the heads of DLSU. 29-23 here. Down by 6. Vic Manuel goes inside. That's a strong drive.
Oo, yun ang Mr. Muscle na move talaga.
Sarmiento. That's a one-hander. Bumawi doon sa kanyang miss na 3-point shot. Sarmiento. This is the second year yung nasabi natin and he's from Irvin Valley College in the US, no?
Kasi parang nag-serve pa yata siya ng residency niya.
Traveling for Raton de Coco. Substitution. Vic Manuel. Kailangan niya ng rest.
6 minutes and 22 seconds.
Residency niya.
Traveling for Raton de Coco. Substitution. Vic Manuel. Kailangan niya ng rest.
6 minutes and 22 seconds.
$18 seconds to shoot. They go to the other side. Romero. Sarmiento. One-hander again. Too strong. Rebound. Here comes Diouf. 5:55. Bulanadi. Tries to orchestrate. Pupunta kay Barkley Ibonia. 8 seconds to shoot for Ibonia. Nowhere to go. Catch and shoot. No dip yun ha for
Oo.
Bulanadi.
I think the shot clock was already winding down na din. Kaya parang quick release na doon si Alain.
Cortez to the other side. Romero fires. Short. Di Coco takes that pass. Bulanadi. Shot clock at 14. Bulanadi fires. Back iron.
Oh, you can see Rotonde ko fighting for that rebound against the taller Sarmiento,
Tumatiming
So, timing nung siya yung pababa ka na. Tsaka siya papasok.
Cortez fires. Look at how smooth that one.
Cool Cub. Tama ba? Di ba?
Oo,
Siya-
Cool
ang
Cub.
Cool Cub, di ba?
The Cool Cub.
Yeah.
Kasi yung daddy niya,
Cool Cat.
the Cool Cat. Malik Diouf goes to Cadiz. Miss shot. Another big rebound for Sarmiento. So far, the bigs nitong DLSU, ganda ng mga pinapakita. Pablo, Amos, Sarmiento. Quality minutes for them. Sarmiento fires. Another missed shot. Look at Romero hustling for the rebound. The tap goes to Amos, and Amos with a good save.
What a heads-up play there.
(33-23).
First time natin nakita nga yung si Dominic Sarmiento in this league, no? Makikita mo na he also has a soft touch, di ba? Sa big
Yep.
man ng DLS. Parang ito si Mason Amos, Luis Pablo, and we know that he can also shoot that range from the outside.
Pablo.
Talking
Amos.
about, kakasabi ko lang na meron sila yung mga big man ng soft touch at pinatunayan naman agad yan ni Mason Amos with that three-pointer.
The former Gilas Pilipinas power forward. When they played against South Korea, that back-to-back win, Mason Amos was part of that victory of the Philippine team. Ibonia, kick out. Rudy Linganay. Here comes the Thermite. That's a big three-point shot for the veteran, Rudy Linganay.
Binawi niya agad yun, no? Hindi man lang pina-enjoy ng ilan na more possessions,
Quick answer. Kasi kailangan din nilang puntos dito. Mason Amos, that's a high arcing shot. Rebound secured by Barkley Ibonia. 18 to shoot. Diouf, double team. Here comes Malik. Short one. Romero. In transition against Malik Diouf. Nope, that says short pass. Alain Bulanadi in transition. Three minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. Amos at the free throw line. Back to Cortez. Cortez wide open off the glass. Basic basketball for Jacob Cortez.
Suwabe lang talaga yung galawan no? Walang mga forced na movements, di ba?
Kita mo yung maturity ng Jacob
Oo.
Cortez, no?
Kumbaga hindi niya pinapahirapan yung basketball niya.
No, basic lang. Simple basketball.
Yes.
De Moses to Bulanadi. Fires for three. Another missed shot. Rebound secured by Romero. Here comes Cortez. Makalalag all day. The lead is back to 13. DLSU. Correction. Yep, that is 13.
De La Salle University in this game. And yung isa pa doon is, yung outside shots nila, pumapasok na as early as na second quarter. They already have 4 3-pointers so far. Tapos, yung turnovers din nila is not that much Compared sa 9 or 10 turnovers na yata ng Zamboanga, make that 11. Luis Pablo now goes hard to the basket.
Wow, Luis Pablo just reading that pass nito si Rudy Linganay with the turnover and then a steal, a point, 15 na to. Coach Kim.
Oo, namamagana. Itong lamang natin, ha.
Traveling violation for Barkley Ibonia. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let's take a look at the steal by Luis Pablo. Binitbit na sa ere para hindi na masundot nitong si Alain Bulanadi.
Iniiwas niya eh. Iniiwas
Oo.
niya eh.
Gagate against Menti. Tatak natin, pa-expire na dito. 5 seconds na lang. Makalalag. Is he aware? Makalalag. That's a rebound secured by Rudy Linganay. 43-28. Linganay. Menti wants it against Gagate. Menti denied, but there's a foul. There's a push on 7 Gagate.
Ganda ng isang job step doon na ginawa nito ni Mendy, no? Naiiwan talaga yung depensa niya.
Substitutions for both teams. Vic Manuel and LeBron James Diet papasok for Gagate and Ibonia.
Uy, partner, yung jersey ni Vic Manuel, wala nang punit.
Oh,
Parang napagawa siya ng bago agad-agad.
Nagpagawa ng bago.
Oh, wala nang punit. Yung last, kagabi ba yun yung game
Oo,
niya?
kagabi.
May punit eh. Napaka-late daw kasi ng jersey niya.
Yung parang Lebron na pinupunit yung
Oh.
mga jersey nila. 43-28, DLSU with a big lead. Boris Marasigan calls the help nitong si LeBron James Diet. Marasigan goes to the other side. Miss shot, Bulanadi. Scans the floor. Binigay kay Linganay. Vic Manuel fires for 3. That's a short one. Out of bounds for DLSU. Dalawang nakaberde doon. Kinis naman. Papasok ulit. .40 seconds left. Rudy Linganay. That's a long 2, by the way. 31-43. Makalalag to Daep. 14 seconds on the clock. Kines goes to the corner. Libre. 3-point shot. Short for Makalalag. Agawan ng bola dito, Linganay. But a pass to Mendy. Out of bounds again. That's on DLSU. Let's take a look at this replay. That drive nitong si Vic Manuel.
Nastripan eh, no?
Oo.
Galing nung ginawa ng Kines.
Ganda ng chop-chop doon sa bola nitong si Kines.
Oo.
Wait lang muna, may wet spot tayo dito. Vic Manuel. 10 seconds to shoot. Gets his own miss. No more shot clock. Spin. Finally a basket for Vic Manuel. DLSU calls for a timeout. 9.2 seconds left. Gusto nilang maganda. Ito ka lang last shot dito. Right on our screen. Ito nga, tignan natin yung replay. Vic Manuel, kita mo, binomba yung kanyang frustration sa kanyang mga sunod-sunod na mintes and get. Nakatabi niya dito si board member Dr. Ralph.
Oo, yun yung kalaro natin kanina sa pickleball eh, no?
Oo. .2 seconds, by the way. DLSU with a full court inbound here. Sino yung tatanggap dito? It is Marasigan. In 4 seconds, Nick DeMoses. Kumuha pa ng ilang minutes eh, no? Or seconds rather. Para masiguradong after that shot, wala nang matitira for DLSU.
Oo, yun ang maturity ng isang veteran player. And yun din, yung masakit dito sa team ng DLSU. Coming off a timeout, gusto nila sana palakihin pa yung lamang coming into the halftime. Pero ang nangyari, bumaba pa tuloy sa single digit yung kanilang kalamangan.
That is right, Coach Kim. 43-30. So ito na nga, third quarter natin. DLSU up by 9 points. Another 10 minutes of action. Dito pa rin po sa Zamboanga, Sibugay para sa ating 25th silver anniversary for araw ng Zamboanga, Sibugay. And you're watching one of the, festivities nitong or celebration and programs nitong 25th araw ng Zamboanga, Sibugay. Itong ating 4th Governor Ann Kehoe for Open Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Ito nga na partner, no, meron naman tayong nakita na ngayon lang din naipasok sa tournament natin na ito. We have here Rem Sharma. Galing din siya ng Lasal Green Hills. So, magkasama sila din ni Kines.
Yep.
Laro, oo.
And siya yung kapatid, younger brother ni Fifi Sharma. Also a women's volleyball player for DLSU and now playing pro in the PVL.
PVL, no?
And ang anak ni Carlo Sharma, di ba? The Lasal. Also a Lasal player.
Lasalista.
Oo, Lasalista din.
Another generation.
Another
naman,
generation.
kumbaga. Oo.
Second generation ng Sharma in the basketball scene in the Philippines. 9-25 inbound for Mike Tolomia.
Pero Rem Sharma, kakapasok siya pa lang dito sa laro natin. Ito, actually sa tournament na to. Ang hirap agad ng assignment niya, he will go against Alain Bulanadi.
Yun lang, di ba? Alam natin, veterano. On the other side, Malik Diouf scores here. Sharma goes inside. Kita mo, buong-buo na yung loob nitong Rem Sharma.
Oo, sanay na sanay talaga sila sa ganito di ba?
Oo nga pala. Oo, exactly. Galing championship din. Itong si Rem Sharma played under Coach Brit Reroma sa San Juan sa Junior MPBL.
So sanay na rin talaga to at kitang-kita naman natin no? Unang hawak niya, unang drive, pasok agad yan. Parang kay Rem Sharma.
Lopez misses that 3-point shot. That's a foul on EJ Goliena against Mike Tolomia. 47-36. 8-32. Rudy Linganay. Nandito kay Vic Manuel against Mason Amos. Look at that shake and bake. And it bounce for the muscle man, Vic Manuel. 8-12. Cortez.
Wow.
The feed to Pablo.
What a great find there.
Let's take a look at this post up nitong si Vic Manuel. Look at that gimme, coach. Niyugyug muna yung buko bago binitawan.
Dito sa game natin na to, makikita natin yung vintage na mga galawan ng isang Vic Manuel The muscle man talaga.
Man. Alaska Days.
Oo, no?
Diba?
Tsaka San Miguel yata, di ba?
Oo, San Miguel din. I guess the last team. Terra Firma pala. Yung last
Yun
team
yung last niya.
ni Vic Manuel. And then he played in MPBL. And I guess wala pang team ata si Vic Manuel for MPBL ngayon.
Sa ngayon,
Oo. 48-38. Manuel. Naharap talaga itong si Mason Amos. Picks up that dribble.
Nice
Look at
na siya
that.
doon.
Everything with the finish for Vic Manuel.
Niluwa
Cortez. Goliena short with a strong drive. Bulanadi stepping up his gas. Goes left and right. Bulanadi misses. 2 free throws for Alain. Another foul for Goliena. Surprisingly, coach, pangatlong team foul net for DLSU.
Ang aga ng tatlong team fouls na yan para sa Lasal. You still have 7 minutes and 35 seconds ang third quarter.
Bulanadi. most of his points right now for this ball game, no? Coming from a drive. Yesterday's ball game, yung mga kanyang puntos na kukuha niya sa kanyang mga piso-piso tapos may mga papulot pa ng barya right after he made those shots.
Yung mga pull-up jumpers no? Tapos one-hander.
48 to 40. 7 minutes and change. Amos, the bounce pass corner, libre. Sharma, short. Rebound youth. They go to Vic Manuel. Fires for 3.
Great box out there coming dito kay Goliena.
Oh, no look pass coming from Jacob Cortez. And that is out of bounds for DLSU.
Naiba yung trajectory, no? Natapik ni Tolome yata yung pasa doon ni Jacob Cortez. Sabay tumama pa rin kay Luis Pablo.
Luis Pablo. 48 to 40. Linganay. Here comes Mike Tolomia. I'll use the screen. Itong si Malik Diouf. Tolomia drives. And a foul on EJ Goliena. Kita mo yung mga biglang slow steps nito mga veterano, no?
Tolome, oo.
Manuel, itong si, I mean, Tolomia, Bulenadi, tsaka Di Moses.
Oo. Pero favorite move na talaga ni Mike Tolome. College days
College
pa niya
days
yan.
pa.
Yung delay step na yun. Pero nga, nakita mo yung movement na ginagawa ng Zamboanga Valientes, no? May screen from Malik Diouf, tapos may isa pa. Ang ganda ng ginagawa nilang Spain pick and roll na yun Kaya nakadrive ng maganda doon si Mike Tolomia.
Mike Tolomia, a former.
Partner, di natin napapansin. Yung kalamangan na yan, lumiliit na yan.
Yup.
6 na lang. Parang dito sa Lasal na lamang.
Tahimik na tinatrabaho nitong Zamboanga Valientes. Itong kalamangan ng DLSU, 6 na nga lang ito. Luis Pablo steps back. Miss shot for Pablo.
Tingin ko rin, nakaka-recognize na rin ng coaching staff ng De La Salle University. Tingnan mo, balik na sila sa nilang first and strongest fight.
As Mike Tolomia, 4 straight points from the native of Zamboanga. And the crowd nitong Zamboanga Valientes. That is a kick ball. Take a look at this drive nitong si Mike Tolomia. Look at that spin and that ball away from the hands nitong defender ng DLSU. The bounce pass, Pablo goes reverse to break the silence for DLSU. 5 minutes and 50. Here comes the screen coming from Vic Manuel. Tolomia spins. Gets the end one.
May kasama pang foul. Pinasabit pa niya doon si Mason Amos, no? Tumatrabaho na dito si Mike Tolomia.
6 straight points, by the way, for Mike Tolomia. Look at that. Using that offhand to protect that ball. Mike Tolomia right now. They're only down by 4 points. We have some lane violation. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin itong report ni Maris Victorio for DLSU.
There's only one general rule for the Green Archers. It's use your best judgment. Kaya sabi ni Coach Oliver, it's up to you inside the court, but never be complacent. For them, everything is conceptual. Mas gusto nila coach na nahahasa ang wise decision making, hindi lang ang skills inside the court. And that's what Seven Gagates proud of. As someone who's first time playing for LaSalle, he told me ibang-iba ang system. Pero naging madali ang adjustment sa mindset ni Coach Oliver. What you see right now is a different version of LaSalle. Naging eye-opener nga daw yung laban kagabi at yung pagkakaroon nila ng 2-lose streak. That's why they're locking in not just to win, but to have development as a team. Kim Nino?
Thank you so much, Maris Victorio. And balik muna tayo sa ating action dito, no? kita natin yung sagutan ng dalawang kupunan as Jacob Cortez goes reverse with a 2-pointer. And sabi nga ni Coach Oliver, di ba, for his players here, kayo yung nasa court, it's up to you if what's your decision inside the floor.
Oo, ganun talaga yung ganun talaga actually yung gusto ng mga coach no? Parang kami, we're just giving you guides to get a good shot. It's still your decision when to shoot, sino papasahan, lahat ng decision sa inyo pa rin yan.
Let's appreciate that move of Jacob Cortez with its spin. Kita mo yung hawak ng bola tsaka yung pitik no?
Oo, yung pektus, no?
Pektus. Mike Tolomia, by the way. First free throw. Down by 5 here. Second free throw for Mike Tolomia so far here in the third quarter.
No problem yan.
8 points for Mike Tolomia.
This quarter, alone yan.
Alone
partner,
yan.
Right? Kaso nga lang, ito pa yung isang factor ngayon. Yung De La Salle University now, nasa penalty na.
Yep.
There's still 4 minutes and 48 seconds in third quarter.
Mahaba-haba pa to for the LSU. Pablo. Stu Makalalag. Pull up for 2. That's the shot no? Nung first game nila. Against Welek Alicia.
Actually, first 2 games, diba? Ang dami. Yun yung in-adjust niya sa tira niya
Vic Manuel nasa poste against a smaller Abadam. Pocket pass stolen away. Cortez one-on-one. Cortez off the glass. Off-balance shot by Jacob Cortez. Back is open dito po sa Sibugay at 7:20. Tolomia gets in one. Bawi din naman for the Valientes.
Pero yung kay Mike Tolomia, may kasama pang foul yan.
Tignan natin ulit yung pasa coming from Bulanadi. And Mike Tolomia absorbing that bump, letting it go, off-balance shot. And ngayon naman, nasa free throw siya. Shoutout sa mga sirs natin dito Thank you for our security here sa ating Govan K. Hofer from PRO9. Big shout out. Pablo. Abadam against Demoses. Pablo and gets the end one against Nick Demoses. Let's take a look at this. Earl Abadam attacking here. Ito si Pablo. And ito namang si Nick Demoses nakita niya, coach, no? Na walang depensa doon.
Oo. Kasi Abadam is just too big para sa mga guardia Kasi ngayon parang nag-slide siya ng position niya as a 4. Sa position ng 4. Usually he's playing ng wing di ba? Either 2 or 3 siya. Ngayon he's playing as a 4.
8-point lead itong hinahabol ng Valientes. 12 seconds to shoot. Tolomia, Bulanadi misses. And that is a foul on Luis Pablo, so it's gonna be 2 free throws. Carlos. Ganun, may mga replay tapos di ko nakita. Ano take mo lang sa Facebook? Ikaw na lang bahala kung ano yung nakita mo sa kayong mga Mendy, coach, gets the 2 free throw there. Down to 6.
Yung mga import natin yun, tsaka mga FSA, no? Makikita mo swabe yung mga free throw nila, no? Kasi dati, known yan na weakness ng mga import. Na walang free throw
siguro adjustment na din nila when pupunta sila ng Philippines. Alam nila, they are bigger, so they are prominent sa mga fouls, eh, no? Wow! A block from behind by Mendy. But yung puso ng isang Boris Marasigan doon to attack that basket strong. Tignan mo yun. Nahuli si Mendy. Naka-recover, nakasupalpal. But yun, tinamaan pa sa mukha. Ito si Boris Marasigan. Gets the end one, by the way. Bonus free throw for Boris Marasigan. (61-53). Na shot.
Wait lang, ngayon ko lang na-realize. Against Barkley Ibon yun, Tsaka
Oo.
Mendy, Hindi na ni Marasigan.
In front, ha? Cadiz denied. That's a foul. That is on Boris Marasigan.
Hindi, si Kines yata yung na-foul. That's Kines.
Correction, that's on Kines. Ayun, yung
Yun,
sa likod.
Nabanggaya, sabi ng ref. Sa likod daw, nabanggaya.
Sa likod. Bulanadi, quick burst lang for Alin.
Raton Kikomo, Cadiz.
Denver Cadiz at the line right now. First one, that is good. Para sa Raton Di Coco.
Two minutes and 54 seconds releasing
Gilly.
one three. Score 61-54.
Second one for Denver Cadiz. That's 2 out of 2.
Siya nga pala partner, no? So ito pala si Gillian Kines. He came from Lasal Green Hills din Tapos, yung natural position niya pala is a two guard. Shooting guard siya. He's the top scorer para sa kupunan ng Lasal Green Hills dati. Before coming into dito sa De La Salle University.
You know, that loyalty nitong si Kines, they were
Oo.
teammates with Rem Sharma
Rem
din in
Sharma, oo.
LSHG, no? Or LSJH. Spin. Wow! Marasigan against Barkley Ibonia.
Pinabaunan pa ng stare down si Barkley Ibonia.
Tapos padjak, no? Pedal lang pabalik. Cadiz, gustong ipagpag, extra feed. Miss shot, rebound. Andito kay Earl Abadam. Kines will take some time. Nope, they go to the other side. Marasigan, pull up. Miss shot. Miss yung putback doon ni Makalalag. So, itong si Bulanadi, didiskarte. Dadaan sa gitna, medyo nadulas. Pero nakagrip yung pivot fit. Or foot rather. Eto, Mendy. That is out of bounds. Inbound for Zamboanga Valientes. Barkley Ibonia. One-on-one against Abadam. Sundot doon. Denied by Big Mo.
Nabitawan na naman.
Another turnover for Valientes. Abadam fires. Pull up at the top of the key. Rebound Nick DeMoses. 18 seconds to shoot. DeMoses. Dire-diretso.
Ayaw pumasok, Ninyo.
1-13. Kines. Good save. Able to recover that possession. 63-55. Kines. All day. Miss shot. Rebound Nick DeMoses. Tatawid muna dito. Under a minute sa ating third quarter. Denver Cadiz and Zamboanga Valientes is down here by 8 points. They're down here. 45.2 seconds.
Pero may timeout muna dito para sa Zamboanga Valientes. Para they want to make sure that they're gonna get a great look dito bago matapos ang third.
Bulanadi fires. Miss shot. Big Mo can't save it.
number 7.
So inbound again for Zamboanga Valientes.
Taking a foul on number 7.
Si Makalalag, uupo muna dito ulit, no?
32.9.
Bulanadi. Ibonya fakes. Balik ulit kay Bulanadi. Long three-pointer. Short for Alain. Kines. The feed. Wow.
Grabe.
Boris Marasigan. Bringing that one up. No more shot clock for Zamboanga Valientes. Dimoses. Out of bounds para sa Zamboanga Valientes. Tignan natin ulit itong transition offense ng DLSU. Kines. And the bounce pass itong si Makalalag. Correction, that's Boris Marasigan.
Lost ball. 3.4.
DLSU's possession. 3.4 seconds left. Oh, that's a foul on Barkley Bonya, and that's an unsportsmanlike foul.
We really don't need it.
Earl Abadam is down here.
It's not necessary to do that. 65-55. 3.4 seconds.
That's above the shoulder, Coach Kim, no?
Oo, sumabit talaga eh. Pero, syempre titingnan pa yan ng ating mga officials, no? Kung ano talaga ba yung nangyari doon. Just to make sure.
A review. Because that is an act of violence and it is included in the 2026 House Rules. Right, I appreciate myself.
Angle. Coach Paul, ibang angle. Ibang angle.
So right after that review, dito ng ating officials. Ito, nakahuddle sila, but I guess maganda rin kung makita natin dito sa big screen natin, no? If yung ano yung nakita ng ating mga officials. Ito, replay natin, Coach Kim.
Makikita natin dito, ayan. On the lower left side, ayan, Ebonya, hawak-hawak na si Abadam. Tinanggal eh. Oh. Yun, no?
Yun.
Tinaga.
Oo.
And 2 free throws plus a ball possessor.
So that's a unsportsmanlike foul for Barkley Ibonya.
Abadam's first true bucket.
That is Abadam. Guess that one.
Second throw.
Tapos ball position pa to ha for for DLSU.
Oo. Parang baliktad tuloy nangyari. Di ba, bola ng Valientes, so time-out sila eh, di ba? Parang gusto nila mapaliit yung lamang. Kaso, eto, mas lalaki pa yung kalamangan ng Lasal coming into the fourth quarter.
So bola nga dito ngayon ng DLSU. We'll have an inbound. Baseline inbound for DLSU. Earl Abadam. Oh! Earl Abadam. Way back their first or their championship here in Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay against NU. He hit that game-winning shot against National University. This time, Abadam to end the third quarter. Big shot after big shot for Earl Abadam. Silver anniversary sa araw ng Zamboanga, Sibugay, and live po tayo sa Cultural Sports Center sa Capitol Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ninyo Abanid alongside Coach Kim Reyes to cover this game, and 70-55 balik sa 15 ito kalamangan ng DLSU.
Oo, hindi makalapit dito ang Zamboanga Valientes dahil yan, ito sa mga ganyan mga turnover.
Yan yung minumulto sila ng turnover na yan no, Coach, and ito nga, Zamboanga Valientes na turnovers are piling up for them.
Oo, yun yung nakakasakit sa kanila. Kaya hindi sila makalapit din. And after ng mga turnover, namamaximize pa nga ng De La Salle University yung mga turnover nila.
At ngayon naman, pakinggan muna natin itong report para sa atin galing kay Sir Churchman.
But we're not playing dirty. Tulungan ang communication ang pinaka-importante in tonight's game. Also from the team owner of Zamboanga Valientes, Councilor Junie Navarro, his advice to the players, let's play with our pride and we are already pro and we just need to talk and play defense. Focus lang para mauwi natin ng panalo ngayong gabi. Kim Nino.
Thank you so much. Dahil nga, kahit ano report nitong si Sarah, nakapasok ng 3-point shot. Itong si Mike Tolomia, bawi naman for DLSU side. Tingnan natin ulit sa ating replay dito. Itong drive ni Jacob Cortez. Kita niya, wala ng secondary defender for Zamboanga Valientes.
Actually, nakita niya si Diouf doon. Kaya siya nag-off foot na take-off di ba? Para mas mabilis siya makaangat.
Cortez.
Bawi yung 3-pointer ni Mike Tolome doon sa 3-point play din. Ng Cool Cub.
73-58. Bulanadi. Finally, a 3-point shot ngayong fourth quarter para po sa Zamboanga Valientes. 12 na lang, Coach.
Kita mo yung tira na yun no? Kumpiyansang-kumpiyansa.
That is a foul on Malik Diouf. And he recognized that foul, Coach, no? Nakangitis yung Malik Diouf doon. Tignan natin. Itong pasa ni Rudy Lingana ay masyadong advanced and you're pushing the head nitong si Jacob Cortez.
Pero nag-sorry siya after. Nag-sorry naman siya. Di lang sadya.
Big mo against Malik Diouf doon sa ilalim.
Yeah.
Cortez. Melencio fires. Gets the 3-point shot. (76-61). Another 3-point shot. Itong binawi. Itong Mike Tolomia at Zamboanga Valientes.
76-64.
Tatlong tres na pala for Zamboanga Valientes for this fourth quarter.
Fouls number 10. Third on number 10.
Big Mo will sit down. Papasok ulit si Luis Pablo for DLSU.
Team foul number 2.
Cortez will inbound. Boris Marasigan. Grabe yung end ng third quarter na parang nakita ng Boris Marasigan tsaka Earl Abadam as Pablo misses that jumper.
Brothers in arms yun, Kita mo talaga si Marasigan doon ready to back up eh.
Linganay. Goes to Tolomia. Malik Diouf. 5 seconds. Bulanadi. Binit-bit pa sa ere. Malik Diouf gets the shooter's bounce.
Last time na nakita kong ganun na moving ginawa ni Bulanadi was James Yap pa yun eh.
Oo,
Yung
no? Yung bumitin pa.
Niyoyoyo ng isang kamay bola.
Cortez. LeBron James, Daep. Miss shot. 10-point lead itong hinahabol ng Z-Vals. Vic Manuel goes inside with a drive. Strong move for Muscleman.
Baba ngayon sa single digit ang kalamangan ng De La Salle University. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila ngayon.
Pablo. Cortez sa labas. Shot clock nasa 5. They need to fire. Marasigan. Melencio. Short for the 3-point shot. Gets his own miss. Balik kay Cortez. Reset sila dito. Shot clock at 4. Melencio. Extra feed. Marasigan. Miss shot. Put back dito kay Luis Pablo.
Nakapunta ba naman si Rudy Linganay kay Luis Pablo? Wala na siyang magagawa doon.
Bulanadi. Right after the 3 straight 3-point shot nito Zamboanga Valientes back-to-back miss na nga para sa kanila. Pablo spins.
Ganda
4 straight
move
points.
naman nun. Ang gandang move nun galing dito kay Luis Pablo, no? And ganun-ganun lang, balik na naman sa double digit lead ang Lasal.
You know, a seesaw for both squad, you know, but doesn't favor for Sival Zamboanga Valientes, you know. Tolomia fakes. Steps back. That's good for 3. After the back-to-back miss. Ito nga, Mike Tolomia. At saka yung attempts nila, coach, lahat galing sa 3.
Actually,
Diba?
this
The
quarter,
3
no?
straight possession for for Zamboanga Valientes. Cortez against Vic Manuel. Wide open. They swing.
Wow.
Who to shoot? Cortez. Ako na lang, sabi niya. But the rebound goes to Jacob. Cortez goes inside. Melencio with a skip pass.
Grabing ball movement para sa De La Salle University. Ang ganda ng mga shot na nakukuha nila. Tingnan mo naman tong no-look pass neto ni Jacob Cortez going to Melencio. At hindi niya naman yun pinahiya ang kanyang point guard.
Timeout tayo dito, Coach Kim. It's 82-71. 4:27 time remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Sa ating Vic Manuel. Akala niya pinalitan siya. Di pumasok no? 4 minutes and 25. Linganay. Diskarte dito itong mga veterano ng Zamboanga Valientes. Tolomia goes inside. That's a foul on DLSU. 6 minutes gone by, Coach. Almost 6 minutes gone by. First team foul pala ng DLSU.
Oo. Yun yung isa rin yun, di ba, na bago sa atin yun, no? Hindi pa penalty na maagang De La Salle University. Pero nga pala, ito, si John Paul Mendy pumasok na pala for Malik Diouf. Ito pa lang si John Paul Mendy. He played for University of Batangas before turning semi-pro with United Prep Canada. Tapos naglaro na pala siya sa Asia Basket and he averaged 19 points per game.
Wow.
At meron din siyang 9 rebounds per game. That's almost a double-double average.
When you read that numbers for John Paul Mendy, alam mo kung gaano ka-dominante yung 19 points and 9 rebounds. No? But surprisingly, dito sa ating tournament sa Zamboanga Sibugay, di pa natin nakikita yung mga puntos na yun for Mendy. And right now, for this ball game, 4 points pa lang for John Paul Mendy. De Moses. Mike Tolomia Balik sa labas muna. Tolomia drives inside off the glass for Mike Tolomia.
Mike.
Back to our ball game. 82-74, 8-point lead for DLSU. 3 minutes and change time remaining. Kines. Marasigan. Earl Abadam, di pa natin nakikita bumalik dito, coach, no?
Oo, no? After yung buzzer beater niya, 3-pointer, di ba?
Well, Milencio is doing well also for DLSU, eh.
Ito na nga.
Ito na. Narinig
Ito na.
tayo ni coach.
Oo. So, partner pala, para lang dyan sa information ng mga manonood natin. Malaking impact kasi mangyayari if
Ayun.
Lasal wins this game eh. Parang it would complicate things, the standings baga. Magugulo.
Oo, magugulo.
Yes, it would make it interesting actually.
Wow. John Paul Mendy with the steal in front of Mason Amos, coach. Cutting the lead down to 6. 14 seconds. Amos misses. Rebound Pablo.
Grabe,
comes-
Luis Pablo, no? Going really high up for that rebound.
Miss shot by Milencio. 2:44. Tolomia, we'll see kung ano yung kanyang gagawin. Tolomia goes inside, gets the end one. Be like Mike moment for Mike Tolomia. Look at that spin.
Tatlong
Double
defender
team,
yan, no?
iniwan lang eh, no? Mike Tolomia. Iba ka, Mike Tolomia. Kita mo
Grabe
yung
ka na, Mike
bilis.
Tolomia.
Kita mo yung bilis eh, no?
Oo. Tatlong defender yun.
Iniwan eh. Pati yung cameraman, muti ka nang maiwan sa frame eh, no? Tolomia misses that jumper na shot pa yan.
Mendy.
Grabe naman for Zamboanga Valientes. Timely yung kanilang mga shots dito, Coach
Basket
Kim.
nila, oh, and the crowd is loving this game na binibigay ng Zamboanga Valientes.
I know, Valientes getting the rhythm back again here in this ball game. Mendy against Cortez. Jacob gets the foul. And Mendy admits it. Hinahanap talaga nila yung mismatch eh, Coach. No?
Oo. Ang bilis din na recognize ni Jacob Cortez ng mismatch na napunta sa kanya, di ba? Kaya pinaalis niya agad. Sabi niya, ako na dito. Take over na ako.
Hinatak talaga sa labas
Oo.
eh, no? Jacob Cortez, the squad needs to score here. It is a run now for Zamboanga Valientes.
Kailangan nila ng fire extinguisher muna.
Oo, kailangan lang pamatay sunog. And
Oo.
also, to break the silence, kasi nga sabi natin, when Valientes created that run, itong body language ng Lasal biglang nag-iba talaga.
Yes. Kaso na-split doon ni Jacob Cortez yung free throw, ha?
And John Paul Mendy, na pag-usapan natin kanina, narinig tayo, pinakitaan
Oo,
tayo.
pinakitaan.
Last 2 minutes na tayo, Coach. Linganay, DeMoses for 3. Short for DeMoses. DeMoses again. Tolomia in front of Earl Abadam. Shot clock at 5. Fake. Tolomia misses. Rebound Jacob Cortez, and that's a foul on Vic Manuel.
Duty foul. Pero, penalty na doon ng Zamboanga Valientes. Parang hindi alam
Ni
ni
Vic
Manuel.
Manuel.
Parang duty foul lang sana. Kaso, penalty na pala sila.
He just want to stop Jacob
Oo.
for transition eh, no?
Kasi open court na yun eh. Siya yung last defender niya eh.
Going back to the court. Replacing the music.
Much needed free throw for Jacob Cortez. First one is good for Jacob.
Nabuhayan ang mga supporter sa Guatemala.
Second one for Cortez.
Second and last. No, rebound
1 out of 2 for Jacob.
Malayo pa yan, partner. That's still 1 minute and 35 seconds. Tapos 4 lang yung lamang. Saktong-sakto pa yan.
Manuel.
Loses the
And that's the
ball.
muscle man. Cortez no look pass. EJ Goliana for the catch right there. Vic Manuel naman on the other side. And Zamboanga Valientes calls for a timeout. 84-80. We'll be right back sa ating fourth quarter. But before we take a break, tignan natin itong pasa ni Cortez to Goliana. DLSU, silang dalawa yung naging involved doon. And by the way, coach, sabi nga natin na mention mo, if DLSU wins, magkakagulo-gulo itong ating team standings.
Oo, yes. Pero, hindi gulo na pangit maggugulo ng interesting. It would make things interesting.
And itong DLSU, if they got this win, they're 1 and 2 kasi sila pa lang din yung unang team na nagkaroon ng 3 games dito.
Oo. Kasi nga, straight yung games
Oo.
nila. Ang 3 days, lagi sila may schedule.
So, EJ Goliana will sit down. Voris Marasigan, yung babalik dito for DLSU.
That's just the third team foul para dito sa De La Salle University.
Tolomia. That is a hard drive for Mike Tolomia.
Number 24.
2 free throws coming for Mike Tolomia. Much needed free throws para sa kanila.
Third personal.
Talagang minamamanan dito ni Mike Tolomia. Lahat ng defender niya di ba? Mapa small or big man, minamamanan niya. It's really clawing his way inside the paint.
So right after the review, Coach Kim, the foul is not on Mason Amos. That's on Luis Pablo.
Oo, na kinlarify lang nila. Tinignan lang nila kung sino.
Second free throw for Mike Tolomia. 54.1 seconds, by the way. 2 out of 2. Substitution, Vic Manuel. Uupo muna. Nick DeMoses yung babalik. Sa Zamboanga Valientes.
Gusto ng Zamboanga dito. A faster lineup
50 seconds.
50 seconds.
Tumatalbog-talbog.
Cortez against Rudy Linganay. DLSU up by 4 points. Burning some seconds here. Ito si Jacob Cortez. Steps back. Fires for 3. Big shot for Jacob Cortez.
What a shot! Grabe yung tira na yun. Dagger na yung tira niya na yun. Babawin Mike Tolomia.
Wow!
Bawi naman din yan.
Sa harap din ng Lasal itong bawi ni Mike Tolomia. And Alain Bulanadi, dumiretso nga sa atin dito. And we have some foul. Tignan natin ulit itong replay. Itong si Jacobs Cortez 3-point shot back to back. Ito naman. Si Mike Tolomia bumawi din sa harap nitong si Jacob Cortez.
Oo, bawing-bawi din agad yun no?
So we have some problem here with the time.
Short.
Short one for Abadam.
Oo.
Sine-check pa nila yung oras, yung score dito.
Wala mo silang official score table dyan? I mean, official tally, di ba? Meron yan dyan, di ba?
Dapat.
Updated yan, di ba?
Zamboanga Valientes right on our screen. The veterans here. Yung kanilang composure dito.
Shake, Bakuya ng 3, 1-3, Bakuya ng 4.
So,
Tama.
89-85 is our score. So, may free throw pang natitira dito for Earl Abadam, ha? May isa pa.
Oo, pero he missed
The first one. Oo.
Yes.
So, there the score here. What's the final? So, it is 89-85.
Oo, tama naman yung score natin.
Oo. So, Earl Abadam with his second free throw.
Pasok.
1 out of 2 for Earl. 90-85. Bulanari fires. Too strong for Alain. And no more shot clock here. Abadam. Back to Amos. Cortez. Goes in and out. Air ball for Cortez, and that was denied. Linganay steps back for 2. Rattles out, and that's it. DLSU gets his first win here.